In the world of the 21st century, product manufacturing drives the global economy as a vital source of innovation, productivity, and competitiveness. For a medical products company like Hollister Incorporated, manufacturing innovative products is fundamental to achieving our mission as we respond to customer needs and consumer choice. In recent years, our company has experienced outstanding growth and success through our commitment and reputation for product quality, clinical advantages, and favorable economic outcomes. With that continued success, we realized the time had come to expand our global manufacturing footprint and make the largest investment in our company's history, with a new and advanced product manufacturing facility in Europe.
Well, it was really a process. We had a core team that went throughout Europe looking at locations. I think the biggest tipping point for Lithuania was probably two factors. One was the government support and the business environment. But the most critical factor was that we believed the Hollister culture would be most readily adaptable and fit with the Lithuanian culture, so we could continue to have our culture in the facility in Kaunas. Lithuania also had the infrastructure, the education available that we wanted, and the population in the region of the facility is large enough where we could continue to get associates as we grow and develop as a company.
In November 2017, at the official groundbreaking for the new Hollister plant, members of the Lithuanian government, local and regional business leaders, and members of the educational community turned out to welcome Hollister to Lithuania. After the groundbreaking, it took just 17 months to build the new Hollister plant. Today, under its expansive modern roofline, the completed Hollister plant in Lithuania is an advanced and dynamic manufacturing facility. Inside, with more than 320,000 square feet of available space, or 30,000 square meters, the plant has been sized for growth, as Hollister looks far into the future.
We've built a building here that has a lot of space, that has a lot of room for growth, that is going to allow us to grow into this building over the next 5 or 10 years. And likewise with our organization, we're building a team of people with strong talent that again allows us to grow into a very strong organization for the future.
Long-range planning for the future of global manufacturing is what has fueled and orchestrated the building of the new Hollister plant in Lithuania.
I think most people would say by the quality of the plant that we built, the quality of the operation we're trying to establish, the quality of the people we're hiring, that is indicative of the fact that this is not a short-term thing for us. We will be there. We will be employing people. We will be hopefully contributing to the community in a positive way for years to come, decades to come.
Today, with the nucleus of its team in place, the new Hollister plant is operational, implementing the advanced strategies and methodologies of the Hollister production system and transforming operations for the 21st century. As one of the company's largest and most advanced manufacturing facilities, the new Hollister plant in Lithuania is a showcase of advanced technology, efficiency, and sustainability. But the new plant is not simply an advanced manufacturing facility. It's an integral part of the company's forward-thinking initiatives to transform global manufacturing in the 21st century, add value to healthcare, and support the needs of Hollister customers in Europe and beyond. The new Hollister plant in Lithuania is leading the way to the future.
And as we in Hollister come up on our 100th anniversary, this organization and this facility is going to help take us forward for the next 100 years.
We've got a great team already, and we're building for the future.
We're just getting started.
Mes pradėjome darbus ir augame.
Hollister is different than other manufacturers. That's why I choose to be here.
I'm happy to be a part of Hollister team.
We are making a huge difference in people's lives.
And we got a lot of room to grow.
We are just getting started.